all the process that there is behind our project, because actually we use a lot of the tools of the digital fabrication to discover how this project is going to work. First of all, we start studying the skin, the surface, and with the plywood, with a very simple material. But the first things that we want was this kind of flexibility. So we use a sort of wire, flexible wire inside this, in order to be the structure flexible. And also, okay, the shape, the fractal system, we choose a hexagon to allow the system to be really well organized. So how we can see there are hexagon and another big hexagon around that is gonna
contain the device to control it.
Yeah. Because each hexagon has a kind of sensor to weight the load over, and but those points are the smartest, let's say, because they are going to direct all the structure. But when we did this kind of surface, we realized that there are a lot of problems here in between, in the gap, in the joint. So using this kind of material, so thinking on this kind of flexible rubber and mix them, we thought that the solution is possible, because actually what we want is a cell that is fixed, and a structure is in between that is going to be very, very flexible. So studying the cell itself, we did this kind of prototype, because our goal was make this real, as a real prototype. And okay. Okay, go.
Stand by.
And how we can see, here there is, in the bottom part, there is a capsule that is going to open.
Aguanta, porque mi presión en esta superficie.
More. And all these wires around are a kind of suspend system that allows the structure to balance the different kind of load, depending on the weight. So the system is very simple, and okay, work with air and water. So that's, yeah. They jump on the pool.
Well, our this approach on this model was to be a little bit more detailed, and as you know, we realized that we need to reinforce the gaps between the cells. So what we did is that we add this rubber band. For this prototype, we used
agua.
pliers. So what we did in this model is that we reinforce it. So here's the membrane that Carlo was talking about. These are the holes to let water flow in. So as you see this model, we are trying to make the smoothness that we want on the structure. So do we pipe in?
Yeah.
It's already piped.
Actually, we were studied about the muscular system. So let's say that this structure in between, in the gap, allow the system to be flexible and to stretch itself. And okay, now it's not working properly, but if we are going to inflate those pipes around this, the membrane, in between. Supposed to. There are so many. It's very difficult to control the airflow. Yeah.
This is supposed to be 4 meters in the real.
Okay.
In reality. So we're gonna fold it so you can see up on the.
What is 4 meters? What do you mean? Where is 4 meters?
The scale, each cell.
In real scale.
Now
In
it's,
real scale.
Real 4 meters of radius, hexagons. Yeah.
Yeah?